What is up, everybody? I'm back at that place where I was planting pumpkins this spring. Made a lot of progress here. I've cleared it out quite a bit. I want to take you guys along and show you what I've done. And I have some important updates to tell you guys. All right, so this pile of sticks right here, more like logs, was where the main big pumpkin was growing. It grew all the way over to there, and it kind of rotted around that section. This area where that hay is, that was all overgrown. I got another pumpkin spot right there, if you guys remember, if you ever watched. And there was another one up there by the driveway. Pumpkins didn't do good. I think I showed you guys. I got 2 big pumpkins out of here when there were 4 or 5 actually growing. Let me take you guys around. Let me show you the progress that we've made here. So, I bet you're wondering what's under here. This is all planted with garlic. These rows are probably 40 to 50 feet long. And I'm gonna add another 1 or 2 onto the edge right here. And up there I got some blackberries, there's some beans, and another smaller little plot of land where I was growing corn. And that's some gourds. I already harvested most, but those are super good for making bottles and bowls and stuff. All right, so I'm gonna be clearing this entire place out. Let me show you guys behind me. So back there, there's some pretty big oak trees, so I won't be clearing those out. But over here, all of this stuff, all the way back to the road, I'm gonna clear out. I'll probably clear out this side as well. And we're gonna try starting a small farming operation here. I got tons of garlic planted. Not sure I'm gonna sell it, but I'm trying at least. So yeah, if anyone's actually watching this, leave some farm name suggestions down in the comments, because I'm gonna make this a thing. We're gonna grow stuff here. I think we've got, this whole property is 2.5 acres, but probably at least 1 acre to grow on here. Hopefully more in the future. Okay, let me show you the tools I've been using to clear this out. So we got all these logs from the trees I've been cutting down, and I've just been using this axe that I found in the garage. So yeah, cut down tons of stuff. I mean, there's stumps everywhere. I already dug a few out over in this section. We burned some out. Have this pretty good shovel right here. Yep, that's for all the digging, removing the roots. And got the gloves and the clippers. And that's how this whole place went from forest to this small-ish clearing right here. And this is all the stuff I've been piling up over the past probably year. It's not actually that big. It keeps decomposing, kind of breaking down, I think. Hopefully it gets even smaller, because I want to grow stuff here eventually. Let me show you guys a big overview of the area. So these are some steps I put in a long time ago when I was first clearing this place. So we're up on this big pile of sand, which I eventually want to get taken out, because I tested underneath, and there is just a layer. It's just on top of the topsoil, so underneath there it's all good soil. We just have to take the sand out. It might be expensive. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but let's go landscape here. This is the area that's cleared. See all those trees back there? That's pretty much what this whole area looked like. And you know, I've done this in most of it's been done in the course of the past few months, but no, it's still going. I only have the hand tools and stuff, but I'm gonna make a pretty big dent in it before next spring. I'll have that big tree, this tree right here, taken down, and a few trees behind that, and I'll take down all these shrubs growing at the bottom. As far as naming the farm goes, I think I have a few ideas. I want you guys to tell me down in the comments what you think. Any suggestions, or if you like these names or not. But what I'm thinking, it's based on this big stump here that I'll show you. I think Blue Fire Farm would be a great name. Let me show you the stump now. Okay, so this is the stump in the very end of the garlic field. And I think we should call it Blue Fire Farm, because we would burn this stump, have giant raging fires around it, and you know, it would just never go anywhere. This thing is durable. We're just leaving it here now. And I think it's kind of like a cool landmark in the farm. We'd have big blue flames coming out of here, and the stump would survive it all. So that's why I think we should call it Blue Fire Farm. Okay, let me show you guys what I've been working on today here. So I'm trying to expand this garlic farm because I need to plant a whole bucket. One of those buckets over there is full of cloves. So I need to plant that here. I'll probably fill another row, and then I have some smaller stuff I want to put close together, the little bulbils and stuff. So I need to take out all these. So these are coming out. I'll probably dry them or something, I don't know. No one really wants them for anything. And I'm gonna be putting in the next row. So I also have to clean up around here. I gotta take all these things out of the way, pull up all these weeds that grew, because I already dug up all the vines and everything that were growing here. This is just stuff that's grown in the last few months. And then back here, this is the serious stuff. We got some pokeweed, which is somewhat poisonous, I think. And I gotta take down this whole system of stuff. So I'm gonna get to it, tell you guys when I'm done, all right? Okay, there we go. We're all set. We raked up this spot, cleared all the vines out, dug up as many stumps as we could find here. So now, next step is removing these pepper plants and till the ground and dig out all the bittersweet roots that are growing under here.